Today I will make chicken karahi. Add 3 tomato in water to half boil. Stir them a little while they are boiling. Done. Now take the peels off. Done. Oops, my broken hands. Now blend the tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion and 3 green chilies. Add the same water in which tomatoes were boiled. Blend, blend, blend. Wow! Add 1 cup oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Now add chicken. Stir the chicken till it changes color. Add half teaspoon salt. Keep on stirring the chicken. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Mix. Add tomato, onion, and chilies puree. Add spices. 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon red chili, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 pinches turmeric powder. Stir till oil gets separated. Now add 2 lemons juice. Cover it for 7 minutes. Wow, it's almost done. Add green chilies. Stir well. Always try using a wooden spatula so you don't break the chicken. Now add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Add butter. Add mint leaves. It's done! Wow, looks super delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye!